Hello, Jay Leshark here, and we're checking out the top 5 caves in Panak Island. Let's go! There it is, the entrance to Panak Cave, the first cave we're going to visit at Panak. See if Bruce Wayne's there. Woo woo. Here we are then, Panak Cave. Echo! So, Panak Cave, as we're in now, is one of the caves that you can only go to at a certain tide time. So, if you do want to come here, you need to make sure you hit the right tide. Oh, there's a rock there! Oh, I think I've gone the wrong way. What's happened? Son, help! I'm stuck in Panak Cave. Where do I go? Huh? I'm stuck. What do you mean I've gone the wrong way? Oh, okay. Haha! I went the wrong way in Panak Cave. Right, let's do this bit again. So, the reason it's called Panak Cave is because of these. Look at them. Wow. You've got to be very careful looking at that, especially looking up, just in case they do a poo-poo.
They'll put on your head.
Yeah, so keep your mouth closed. Which isn't good when you're doing a YouTube video. So there you go.
There you go.
That's Panak Cave, baby. So awesome. So awesome. Panak Cave, baby. Ooh! Stalactite. Nice. Oh, who's this? Filming team. Look at you with all the lights. Look, Guide Son and Guide Fuse here today. That's cool.
We have a handsome boy today, Guy Phil. Guy Phil, he is my Potterman today. So my job is getting more easier. But Jay Leshark Potter alone.
It's really hard to paddle one. Luckily, I'm a legend. Look at this. This is Bat Lagoon, I guess. That's Panak Cave. Still got it, baby. You know I'm a kayak instructor. Oh,
Really?
Yeah.
Do you have license?
Yeah.
Show me when we back to the boat.
This is my job for years. So, that was cave number 1, Panak Cave. Now we're going to cave number 2. Woo! Come here, folks. So, cave number 2, Oyster Cave. Might see monkeys in this one. Let's go. Here we go. Oyster Cave into Oyster Lagoon. Check this out. Wow. Like Jurassic World. Oyster Cave, baby. So, cave number 3, Ice Cream Cave.
Jay, why they call ice cream here?
Don't know, I'm going to find out in a minute. I'm going to ask you that question. Oh, butterflies. Flutterbys! the ice creams in Ice Cream Cave. Do you have a cornetto? I like a cornetto.
I do, on the boat.
You got cornettos on the boat? If you
Yep.
have, I'll be really impressed. Who's that in front of us?
I don't know, sexy guy.
He's gorgeous. Oh.
What's that, Jay?
What's what? That?
That's there. Look like a p. Oh, no, sorry, I can't say that.
Now, I'm going to be very honest. Never touch these. If you touch them, millions and millions of years worth of growth is just gone.
Really?
It does look like a pea. Which is nice. And that's an even bigger pea.
Stop it. Get some help.
But they're very, very cool. And as you'll see up there, the water will be dripping from the stalactite and it'll come down here. And yeah, that's right, and it hits the stalagmite, and then, as we said before, they'll join together and make a column. It's really cool, this. I love caves. Not seen an ice cream yet. Chalk ice. Oh, look. So, here's a thing for you. When you get a stalactite, which comes down, and then you get a stalagmite, which comes up, when they join, you get this, which is called a column. Learned that the other day when I was in Khao. There you go. Stalactite and stalagmite have joined to create a column. Right, let's go find some ice creams. I like ice cream. Oh, it's got muddy. God, that's freezing cold. Woo! I'm still looking for this ice cream. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. That's awesome. Look at that one. Oh, I see some lights. Oh, I'm still looking for an ice cream. This is very cool. Wow, look at that one. Hello, ladies. That's a big one, isn't it? Oh, I see an opening. Where's this going to take me? Check this out. That's super cool. Right, I heard you talk about ice creams. Show me this ice cream. That is the ice cream. That is why this is called Ice Cream Cave, because of this jellyfish looking thing. There's a jellyfish there. Surely it should be Jellyfish Cave. I think so as well. So let's change the name. No longer Ice Cream Cave. Welcome to Jellyfish Cave. So, that was cave number 3, and now we're off to cave number 4. Woo! So, cave number 4, Mangrove Cave. Now, you might have seen this one before because Guy's son and I came here and we tried snorkeling in here, and I also recreated the Fat Boy Slim Right Here, Right Now video, which got loads of views, by the way. Even Fat Boy Slim commented. Anyway, come on, Mangrove Cave, cave number 4, baby. Woo! Let's go, baby. Love this cave. What's that there? There you go. Phang Nga Bay, baby. Woo woo!
Fun, go.
So, cave number 4, Mangrove Cave. Why is it called Mangrove Cave? Well, there you go.
Stop.
So, the good thing about Mangrove Cave, it's got its own Instagram areas. Check this one out.
Check. 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 Love. Check. Done.
We're looking for mud skippers. I'm gonna bite me. Oh! I almost touched him. He's cool. Right, let's get out of here. So, that was cave number 4. Mangrove Cave. Now we're going to our last cave, cave number 5. Hello. So, our final cave, cave number 5, Diamond Cave, baby. Or as I like to call it, Rihanna Cave. I got diamonds in the sky. Gonna shine like a diamond. Shine like a diamond. Oh, wow. That's very good. Oh, I like this one. I really like this one. I like Diamond Cave. It's cool.
How many lagoon we have here? 2.
Is there another lagoon?
Yeah, another one.
Is there?
Yeah,
What, through there?
yeah, that way.
Wow. Let's go check that out. Look at this. Little secret spot. Oh. I didn't know there was a hidden lagoon here.
How long you stay in Phuket?
20 years, but
20
okay,
years.
I've never been to this one, that's all. Wow.
Oh my God! Wow!
You definitely saved the best to last.
Listen to nature.
Woo woo! I like Diamond Cave. We definitely saved the best to last. So there you go, that's your 5 caves that we recommend in Panak. Got it? Good. Say bye, my son.
Bye bye. Say bye.
Say bye.